So we're going to demonstrate how our scanning control machine works. So it has two inputs, F and B, which is forward and backward respectively, and two outputs, scan and direction. So right now we have our machine in state 0, so it is not scanning and the direction is arbitrary, although by default it is backwards. So I'm going to first demonstrate what would happen if someone keeps the button pressed. In this case, the DIO 0 is forward. So if we press the button and leave it pressed, then what would happen is that the machine would be scanning forward and then turning off at the next clock pulse, since it would be detecting that you are pressing it once to start it and then pressing it again to stop it continuously. So if I want to stop it, then I would need to bring it back down at the right clock pulse. In this case, I left it on, but if I press it again, if I bring it high in the next clock pulse and bring it low before the next after that, then it will come back, it will stop again. So now it has stopped scanning. So we are back in state 0. And basically the same thing would happen if we do the same thing with the back button. So we leave it on, it will just be scanning and scanning backwards until we stop it. So right there, I stopped at the right moment for it to keep scanning, and now I have stopped it. Now if both inputs are high and we leave them high, which would simulate keeping the buttons pressed, then it will act as if it is a forward, we're telling it to forward scan and to stop forward scanning. At this point, if we would be in a forward scan and then I press the backwards scan, then it would change to a backward scan. And the same thing would happen for the other way around. If I would be in a backward scan like I am right now, and then press the forward only once for one clock pulse and bring it down, then it will be in a forward scan.